Here we are at the Springfield Urgent Care Center. That's grand opening is tomorrow, and we just installed the SheaShield sneeze guards. We've got 3 panels up here, and this has got the cutout, 16-inch cutout within the pass-through at the bottom with our adhesive mounted legs and the gripper systems, top cap or top connectors. Has a pass-through across the bottom as well. So this is a great way to keep our staff and patients safe and protected. Here we have 3 24-inch wide by 32-inch tall sneeze guard panels hooked together, linkable as you can see. Got the base legs with the 2-sided clear adhesive. Everything's nice and sturdy and everyone's protected. Here we are at a medical office showing you our sneeze guards. This is the 24 wide by 32-inch tall. We have 2 systems here connected with a 4-inch pass-through for paperwork. Here we are at Springfield Urgent Care. You just installed the SheaShield sneeze guards, 24 by 32 inch, and we have this great pass-through here. Attach these with the grippers and connectors up on top. As you can see, everybody, staff and the patients are well protected. And another pass-through along there.